my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Yeah man, the other day we are talking about the farm work, life and everything and the good and...
You like hear about the farm work, don't you?
Yes, me love hear about it. Me
Yeah,
never go on farm work, you know.
But
So, you
as
see,
me talk to you, the same thing me I tell you, just not see it.
you see because me never go on it and you tell me now, me visualize what
I mean,
I
not
say.
in a lie, you know.
You know?
A serious thing. Not in a lie.
So when you normally spend like what, 5 months?
Yeah, 6 months, 5 to 6 months, it's been dinner sugar.
And then
And you go home. November, December, January, February, March. From 5 months to 6 months.
okay. So you used to
And a 5-month lifetime that
long, not true?
in a 5 month, but you come like say I want lifetime you spend. And the amount of experience you see and get. You can't believe. Me glad me never you know. You can't tell me nothing if you get me what's gonna kill you, you know. Young life become physical. After try to kill me, then me react. But you can't tell me nothing, you know.
So at your age, you don't go for a farmer now if you get a chance?
Yes. What you mean?
You go pick up.
If the price is right. Let me go back up place in there, you know.
Yeah, some man at your age are old and you still go for a farmer, you know?
Enough man up get up a year time go and that. Right now man out a beg I could green tea, the plant.
Hello?
You know see it? So you know when you sure when you farm work it doesn't wrong. It's a serious thing. So when it come down to it, you know, the farm work business, you know. If we tell you something we are on farm work, you see, you see, some man upon farm work, Joel, Lord have mercy. He take away every piece of tea from you.
What do you mean?
One certain man in I can't listen, you know. Remember tons of men, you know. And everybody use that soap. I used to you look for a piece of soap, so one man grown, you know, pick up the piece of soap there, you know. Cruff, mean. Don't want to buy no soap. Pick up the piece of soap and make one big ball.
Or him take a little piece of soap and make one big soap.
That him nothing buy none. you buy one tin of sardine, put the locker there for your lucky man take you out.
So everybody have a personal locker?
Yeah man, everybody have one little locker.
Oh.
Put a little something in there, you know. You could snack and you could, you know, something, you know.
Yeah.
Some man stupid enough put all their money in it. You don't have to do that. Man, cut off the lock and put on different lock on it. And when you open back with the key now, you realize that now your key out when you take out a different lock.
Oh.
Well, me know that sugar cap there. With me now. Me follow every rule and every regulation. But where my rights is concerned, I will stand up for it. Now, when you're that camp, you can't take the food out of the missile and bring it outside, you know. In the container where they give food in, one big tray so with this partition in. You have part to put rice, part to put meat, part to put vegetable and so. You understand me?
Yeah.
One collect something like wheat, one can spot as one can spot. So you can't come out of the missile with that container, you know. If you have a basin or a plate, you can dish out, take out what you want and put on your basin and carry it back to your locker. You can keep it there. But that tray,
Yeah.
you have to come out of the missile with it. Much more. Go to super happy with any kind of food. Whether in a plate or in a bowl or in anything. Now, one man in the call him bone specialist.
Bone specialist.
Bone specialist. Who know like a pea bone and give them in them food, you know. That's why they call him bone specialist.
That's why him nasty man because you know like a man he give them
John Crow. Name Harrison. I wish he could have been on get all my son for phone. Harris seen him go for St. Mary. Because when in the yard, he sell a school gate, put and drops and sit down and cook and sell a school gate. So, that here there, and in December, and on Christmas. Yeah, but in December, if it's a Sunday daytime, them give curry goat or oxtail or, you know, so. So, we go in at the mesa, the me dear sir. Go in. When we go, rice man first. Get the rice.
Oh, you join line like?
Yeah, but line long man, but the line move fast.
Okay.
The line giant so you come this one, you pick up under the. You know when you go to the airport, you pick up under the basket, you put it.
Yes.
It's six, we call it 6 forward. 6 here and night. Pick up under 6 forward so. And you go up to the rice man and into the bomb. You want more rice, you tell the meat. You go up to the meat man. After the meat man, you go to the vegetable man.
So then the man will cook, then cut into and pick up?
No, they just cook.
Then he imply if you just cook?
Yeah, I can't cut them used to be, you know.
Oh.
But then they upgrade them and
go up in a rank like?
I have in the kitchen, I help too, and then one man get hold and he drop out and then put to him.
Okay.
Super happy. Like you.
Okay.
And they nominate you, you know, see?
Yeah.
So, you go to the meat man, you go to the rice man, go to the vegetable man, and what is here? Anything is here, you go to them, you know? So we go to Harris Mice Master, oxtail evening. You know, a 4 piece of the oxtail bone, the round, you know, oxtail come with a round bone.
Yeah.
4 piece of it. No meat, no depend it.
4 piece of bone?
4 piece of bone. And 2 for about a couple pieces of little jiggling of meat with some gravy water this up. Because you know cook like how for me you would cook in there. They cook in a lump some, you know. So then just boil it down and
so you know spend a whole heap of time.
It cook man. It cook.
It cook but that amount of time where you have put in it if you are cooking.
They not do it so. Are you heat it's about a circle.
Yeah.
So me look upon him, you say so no. Me look upon him and me say wait, you know, say them have pay bone that sir. Like 6 forward. Bow! Move up!
Back it plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A metal sitting in and knock his way this way. Bow! Move up! One boy I get to me say where you go? I say me not get my food in. Me say pay bone. Mark, you're not supposed to come out of the messal with the food in the hand, you know. Much more go super office. When me find say man want give me no more give me meat for me food. And $95 the majority of your money for it, you know. You must get it. I feel right that. Only paid cereal. I won't believe it. You know. I saw my with my spoon in my pocket. I saw my wallet. I go straight in the super office with it. And someone has a run where I go, I say, man, go to the front door and I go straight in the super office. I say, super, look on this, sir. Would you give or would you take this for a dinner, sir, as a meal? Super say, what up? I say, please, super, you say, I pay money, man, give me, sir. Look, man, a $95 I 2 weeks I have to pay for this, you know. So the white man look for super, and super move. So, March come in the kitchen. Me right in front of super. Me now walk for neither. Me not touch it. Me say look at my mouth, sir. No turn test my mouth. Look to me spoon and me pocket. Me no touch it. And super come and super stand up. And super do so to him say. It's when he dip in that pot, say boy. I get some blood treat oxtail meat. Then super say them have some more pig feet that them take from the field. Beat will go a field and you know done. It's still in the kitchen if you want more, you can get it, you know. Meat, me mean hot.
And it did cook already?
Of course, I mean if you did cook already, then me say food with they can have lunch out there too, and if you not done.
So bone specialist, he give some man enough meat and
yes.
we not like a pay bone and give them. What a nasty creature.
So super say, you want some of this pig? Me say yes. And y'all have it, you wouldn't want to give me none. He give me too much. I mean, super stand up is me heat it. Me no want so much, but me makes me give super the impression say me a go heat it. And nobody feel no way so me no near happy. Bam. Me have problem with Harris all the while after that. Yeah, a problem with him. He give me meat, you know. But he just flashes up. She says, what do you do? Here when you're supposed to go home, when you go home now, you go to Miami. When you reach Miami now, they will weigh up your baggage then. Or you ship. You stay in Miami till you come in. And down there you go pay for your ship. The first super we used to down there, that them are the shipping supervisor. He knew so understand to racket business. Man have 2 barrels in charge for 1.
Yes.
Man have 3 suitcases in charge for 2. And he can racket him, run him racket a year, he might get money.
Yeah.
See? So that the year they know. Him no depend, him no did it with him racket no more. I want Cuban boy named David. I run the money part. So the racket no did it again. Harris never know. See a bone specialist, you know. Yo! You know what barrel him have? Bone specialist?
What?
7 barrel bone specialists have in shipwreck from camp. 7. So when he come up and him weigh them and them say, get in there, get over there, pay your money. Almost $2,000 in a rasta. Almost $2,000 fee we come up to, you know.
So you did have that amount of money to pay?
Have what? You know, forgot you like a Belgrade. I can't carry the good food and give girl my Belgrade. At the time when you
use your buy scraper.
Sure, and give girl. So, when you talk to he's super, original super, what you talking to me about? Go and pay the money. You know who him dress? In blue suit and tie and vest. And felt and look like
celebrity.
Look like pastor. With the fucking knock me like a your old boat. Damn, man. So, I can't pay. So everybody passing, everybody away. So them say, what you gonna do now? So what you decide to do? So the more shipping something them, but guess how it all go? You might have to take out all perishable item out of the barrel then. But you put them, so you have anything in there to spoil. Because you know get the barrel that time, they more go in there compulsory savings and take out that money. And when they get that money now, they ship the barrel. At my time I had 6, 4, 5 months then before they send it to you.
Barrel.
Because they might be doing your compulsory savings.
Yeah, I experienced that.
Eh? You're crazy, man. Anything when you are weird to go buy, you know, sir. So you know that all the time there's 70 pounds weight to a suitcase. And if you over 70, you have to pay. So make everybody.
And you have 7 barrels.
7 barrels, all 300, but through the racket down there. In Billy said they would have super in that down there now if you send in 7 barrels and they pay for 3. So he in a bad mood at the year there. So when
there's something we have is going to get with.
Every day carry bucket to the well. One day bucket but about fuck up. So now and me call Christmas think like a shit like a Christmas cover camping. To meet business, you know. And I me came to super, you know. So you to me said no every farm work kind of master is like a convention that time, you know. No see Aristotle can't pay for barrel them. Every farm can run down. They look for him. So you turn up so what take off it. No jacket can hold him that time and you
hot like a hot.
What him turn up in the car? Yeah, me to myself, I'm going to fuck with him today. So me hear me now, group to you. Hey, brother Harrison. Everybody know, you know. Hey, brother Harrison. You cannot talk to the man them. They will help you out, man. You know, then go check them for me now. But me know. Gentlemen, listen. Me a fuck still it up. Because me a fucking this time. What me do? Gentlemen, listen me now. him, Mr. Harrison, Brother Harrison, run short in the sun. What me don't know with me cap? Who can have a 50, who can have a 20, who can have a 100? Not naga, sir. Fuck me, I fuck with Harrison. Yes, man. Come on, let me face up quick.
That time Harrison feel good, sir. He won't get help out.
He better don't bother him feel good because you don't know, sir. I dear below me, fuck me, fucking mess of the home. Yo, brother.
So how he did work out?
Let me
with
now
the
tell you,
7 barrel?
let me not tell you to work out. So then they put the man say, right, any perishable item you have in the barrel, strip the barrel them, take out anything that is rotten. So you know, get it. Or if not, you can just turn back the barrel and just forget everything and go on. You can get 10 ton food down up in barrel. Joel, all our lard, and butter, and bully beef, and sardine, and rice, and grit, and cornmeal, and heavy bloat, that thing will come and mess a light and we start to come back and my yard. You know my piece? Is that some big can of red piece up? Is that some big pan of red piece up?
So, the empty barrel in front of everybody make this?
Then they tell if you have anything in the perishable item.
So
no clothes, no night, you know.
So when Super and the rest are going to see that now?
Man, shut up about they're not convinced and now start now.
They're rocks only.
Are you? You think you get you dirty bitch. That's why you know your money. They're sharing a message. I can't you can't dirty fuck you. Hey, catch him. A thief. Catch him a thief. So, what is super no? Well, them not if you do that in Miami. They must be send back the things them. Hope there you know. Yeah. Because you not keep them there. Okay. They must be go send on their bus. I want to chop pick them up.
Okay.
Master, oats, tin coffee, tin chocolate because enough man don't drink chocolate, enough man. Tea bag, tea.
In fact, 7 barrel to
7 bale of rice, cornmeal, dry peas, peas in a can, bully beef, sardine, butter, lard. Everything. Yes, man, you see it? And that's why we can't get the food in the midst of this rat, man, I can't go here. You see, fella, when you come up, I was not going nowhere in the kitchen again. Knife him in the blood teeth now, put knife now.
Start chop cane.
Chop a can of cane. Him can't chop cane. No man say, nobody put him down with crew, you know, sir. Because I'm not going to make no money this year. Oh.
So if you don't go to the kitchen, now what they give you do?
Cut cane. Now go back now, go cut cane. And you know, big and fat like when you start kitchen again.
Sweat on and nasty.
Book on the ras. A man left a hard boat. Go help cream partner to cut. And left him what you ever go see and go see one boat out there by itself. Like a can of them a road. So when you turn from and look, and him one you see way out there. This man cry like a baby mother gonna live. I tell you.